Dear student, welcome to our NIEVS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Medium School, Monisha. Dear student, today I am going to take your computer class for the student of class 2. Our today's topic is M.C.Q questions, that means multiple choice questions from chapter 4. Our today's chapter's name, the mouse. Okay, let's get started our class. Class 2, subject computer, topic M.C.Q questions, that means multiple choice questions from chapter 4. In previous class we have done already 1 to 6 M.C.Q questions, and in this class now I will do from 7 to 11. Okay, 7. Number 7. If you move the mouse down, which way will the mouse pointer move on the screen? You know, if you move the mouse down, which way will the mouse pointer move on the screen? It will be down. Option A will be correct answer. Here given 3 options, you have to select only 1 options. Number 8. If you move the mouse to the left, which way will the mouse pointer move on the screen? Okay, A down, B right, C left. Which one is correct? You know, if you move the mouse to the left, it will be left. Number C, sub number C will be correct answer. 9 number, the pointer looks like an dash. A arrow, B mouse, C button. You know, the pointer looks like an, option A will be correct. The correct answer is A, arrow. Looks like an arrow. Number 10, mouse may have a small wheel called a dash wheel. You know, option here are given 3 options. Options A small, B small, and C smart. You know, the correct answer will be B small. Mouse may have a small wheel called a skull. 11. When you move the mouse, the dash moves on the screen. A, option A pointer, B button, C mouse pad. When you move the mouse, the pointer moves on the screen. The correct answer is A, pointer. Okay, now again I am repeating these questions. 7. If you move the mouse down, which way will the mouse pointer move on the screen? A, down. Correct answer B. 8. If you move the mouse to the left, which way will the mouse pointer move on the screen? Correct answer will be C, left. And 9. The pointer looks like an arrow. Number 10. Mouse may have a small wheel called a skull. And 11. When you move the mouse, the dash moves on the screen, pointer. It will be pointer. So student, your homework number 7 and topic M.C.Q questions. You have to write only answer. No need to pick up the full sentence. Only answer. So student, hope you will do your homework at home and submit on next Saturday. Thank you all of you. See you in next class.